In the vast, dark theater of our solar system, one planet stands as the ultimate masterpiece: Saturn, the jewel of the solar system. For centuries, astronomers have peered through telescopes, captivated by its magnificent rings, a celestial crown that makes it look like a king among planets. But behind this elegant beauty lies a world of chaotic storms, extreme gravity, and moons that hold the potential for alien life. Today, we journey nearly 1 billion miles away from the Sun. We are going to explore the giant of gas and ice, a world where the laws of physics create wonders beyond imagination. Welcome to the kingdom of the Lord of the Rings. The anatomy of a gas giant. Saturn is massive, the second largest planet in our system. You could fit over 700 Earths inside it. Yet, for all its size, Saturn is surprisingly light. It is a giant made almost entirely of hydrogen and helium. In fact, Saturn is the only planet in our solar system that is less dense than water. If you could find an ocean big enough to hold it, this gargantuan world would actually float. But don't let its lightness fool you. As you descend into its depths, the pressure becomes lethal. Saturn has no solid surface to land on. If you tried to stand on the planet, you would simply sink deeper and deeper, crushed by the weight of thousands of miles of atmosphere, until you were squeezed into a liquid metal core. The crown of ice, the rings. The true glory of Saturn is its rings, spanning 280,000 kilometers. They are wide enough to fit almost the entire distance between Earth and the Moon. Yet they are razor thin, sometimes only 10 meters thick. These rings are not solid. They are a swirling graveyard of billions of pieces of ice and rock, some as small as a grain of sand, others as large as a mountain. They are the shattered remains of moons, asteroids, and comets that were ripped apart by Saturn's immense gravity. Looking at them is like looking at the frozen history of a cosmic collision. The hexagon and the great white spot. At Saturn's North Pole, nature has created a geometric mystery that defies explanation: the hexagon, a permanent six-sided storm cloud large enough to swallow 4 Earths. This isn't just a storm, it is a perfectly symmetrical atmospheric engine that has been spinning for centuries. Deep within the planet's atmosphere, the weather is even more violent. Winds on Saturn can reach 1,800 kilometers per hour, nearly 5 times the strongest hurricanes on Earth. Every 30 years or so, a massive storm known as the Great White Spot erupts, a planetary-scale superstorm that wraps itself around the entire globe, visible even through small telescopes from Earth. The moons, titans, and oceans. Saturn is a solar system in miniature, orbited by an army of over 140 moons. The most famous is Titan, a world larger than the planet Mercury. Titan is the only moon in the solar system with a thick atmosphere and liquid lakes on its surface. But these aren't lakes of water, they are filled with liquid methane and ethane. Then there is Enceladus, a tiny icy moon that hides a secret. From its south pole, giant geysers spray water vapor and ice crystals hundreds of miles into space. Beneath its frozen crust lies a global ocean of liquid water, warmed by hydrothermal vents. Many scientists believe that if we are to find life elsewhere in our solar system, it might be hiding in the dark, warm depths of Enceladus. Saturn is a reminder that the universe is not just vast, but profoundly beautiful and terrifyingly complex. From its shimmering rings to its mysterious storms, it continues to be the ultimate target for human curiosity. Thank you for exploring the cosmic crown with us. This is Cosmic Mysteries. The journey into the unknown never ends. Subscribe to stay on board as we sail through the ocean of stars. Keep looking up.